welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already. I have another super exciting video for you today. I'm going to be testing out and reviewing the new Morphe 35XO palette Natural Flirt. I'm so excited to play about with this. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have already done like around about 5 looks of it already. I've literally been using it all week. Haven't stopped, haven't picked up anything else. This has been like my go-to palette. This palette is just a bit of me. Like, it really is just a bit of me, and I just could not pick it up. If that makes sense. So if you are new here, my name's Megan. I'd love it if you consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. The packaging is so cute. It's like got this like really frilly, reflective, and all these circles in it. And this palette's supposed to be like more of a natural kind of less is more kind of vibe from it. So the packaging on the palette is like the exact same as that, so we can just get rid of this. So the palette retails for £24, which I think is really good, and you obviously get 35 shades. And this is what the palette looks like. It's a mix of mattes, shimmers, and just the one pressed glitter there. Isn't it just stunning? Like, it's just beautiful. It's just my shades. I love it. I'm also going to be trying the JOUER Best of Nudes little gift set. This actually arrived yesterday, so I'm super excited to incorporate these, and I'll do some swatches and things right at the end of this video of these and show you what they look like on the lips. I'm excited. So just prep my eyes with the Peel Away base in Room 01. So I'm going to start off my look with this shade here called Talking Feelings, and I'm just going to put that in my crease and kind of like map out my crease. Because I have really hooded eyes, I like to map out my crease so you're able to see the shades in the crease when my eyes are open. And I'm going to take the shade Touchy Feely, which is my favourite shade in the whole palette. And I'm just going to use that to blend out that first shade, Talking Feelings. So I'm going to take an even fluffy brush. This is the Gesso 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush. And this is clean, it just doesn't look clean. So I'm just going to take that shade, Show Me Some Skin, and I just want to deepen up this outer corner and like, yeah, just deepen it up. Then use that shade Talking Feelings to blend everything in together. So I'm just going to go ahead and intensify this a little bit more, just so I'm happy with how pigmented they look on the eyes. And then I'm going to cut my crease and do the same to the other side. So be right back. So now the cut creases are on, I'm going to continue to like deepen up this outer edge just before I put a lid shade on, and I'm going to go back into that shade Too Soon. And I'm just going to blend that out with that shade Talking Feelings. So for like the inner portion of my lid, I'm going to use the shade Your Move. This shade's so pretty. This would make like a really nice topper as well, like a really nice topper shade. And it's applying really nice with a brush. And to connect them in the middle, I'm going to go into that shade Hard to Get. I'm going to go back into that shade Your Move, and I'm just going to wet the brush just to see if it intensifies it. Doesn't need intensifying, but I just want to see if it does, because the shades are quite crumbly, but they're performing really nice. I feel like there's just no difference at all. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take this shade Love Story. I'm not sure if this is gonna be like too much pink. I'll just take a little bit. Just gonna buff that out with that first shade we used called Touchy Feely. And for me in a corner, I'm going to take this shade in the corner called Single Life. I mean, what other shade would I have taken? Let's be serious. I'm just going to wet it so it's a little bit crumbly. And then I'm going to connect those on the bottom with that shade Your Move, which is this one right here. So I'm just gonna hop off camera, put some mascara on and put some eyelashes on, and I'll be right back and we can pick one of these to whack on as well. So this is the finished eye look and I'm obsessed. I actually love it so much. I'm just totally obsessed with this palette. Like, it's amazing. Like, it's just amazing. Oh, I just love it so much. And for £24, I think it's amazing. I think the quality is so good. Some of the shades do have a lot of kickback, and I have got quite a bit of fallout under my eyes from the glitter shades, from the shimmer shades. But obviously you just do your eyes before your base. But I'm just totally obsessed. Like, if you're asking me whether you should buy it, I'm like, yeah, go ahead, buy it, because it's amazing. But if it's like your kind of colours, like you like the mauvey tones, you like cool tones, you like purpley tones, shimmers, then yeah, it's amazing. If you like the Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions, I'm getting that kind of vibe from it. I have the Nude Light Obsessions, you know, the little £9 palette, and I swatched them side by side and they was pretty similar, I'm not gonna lie. So if you like that palette, then you'd probably like this palette. And part of me is thinking about just decluttering that palette because I feel like I don't need it anymore. Now I've got this one because I just love it. I'm just obsessed. I cannot see a bad thing about it. So now moving on to lips, I just want to give this a try just because it arrived yesterday and I'm super excited to try it. And I kind of think some of the shades look like they might go with this look. I think this is £22 for the set, and they are small. I'm not gonna lie, they are small. I expected them to be small though for £22. I thought it was a really good deal. So you get 3 lip creams and 3 lip shimmers, and they're supposed to be the most 1 second. Yeah, so as I was saying, they're supposed to be like the most popular shades that they sell. So I'm just gonna wipe these swatches off and we can swatch them. So the first one I'm gonna swatch is in the shade Ballerine. This one looks really pretty. That's what that one looks like right there. That's one of the lip creams. The next one is in the shade Terra, and this is more of a brownie nude kind of shade. The other one was peachy nude, this one's more brownie nude, and that's what that one looks like right there. And the third lip cream is called Cherie. I think it's Cherie. This one is more of a purpley brown nude. That's what that one looks like. And then let's move on to the lip glosses. So the first one that I've got is sorry. Yeah, so this is a lip gloss. It looks kind of pigmented for a lip gloss. Yeah, it is kind of pigmented. Yeah, so that's what the gloss looks like right there. And I've got the shade. What are these shade names? Oh, I've just read it wrong. This is called Soiree. Makes sense. Yeah, so the next one I've got is in the shade Rendezvous. This is another lip gloss. Yeah, they are kind of pigmented. That's that one right there. And the final one in the set is called Diamond Walk. And this is a lip gloss as well. Oh, that one's pretty. And that's what that one looks like. I'm going to take the Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Vogue to line my lips. Then I'm going to go in with that JOUER lip cream in the shade Ballerine. And then I'll probably put a lip gloss on over the top. Then I'm going to finish the lip combo off with a lip gloss, and I'm going to take the shade Rendezvous. And this is my look all completed. What do you think? Okay, so the lip creams, which were the first ones that I swatched right here. Not my favourite formula. Not really my favourite shades either, I have to say. Do you need the set? I don't think so, but they are nice. They're gonna be a nice addition to my collection because all of my nude shades are pinky nudes. I don't really have any brownie nudes, and now we do, which is great. And the lip glosses, love those. They were really nice. That applied really nice, that shade. So I have this bottom shade right here on and this middle gloss on at the minute. Moving on to the palette, the MORPHE 35XO. This is amazing. Like, it is so good. In case you haven't guessed already, I'm totally obsessed with it, and I think for £24 I think it's amazing. The mattes are really nice, the shimmers are really nice. It's a little bit crumbly, but the pigmentation's there, and you can just spray a brush or apply your face on first. Apply your base on before your eyes, and I'm really excited to play around with this even more. I'm so excited. I'm so glad that I picked it up, and yeah, I could not recommend this enough. Oh, I forgot to mention my eyelashes today are in the style High Maintenance, and they're from a brand called Lash. You can find them on Instagram. I'll link them down below. They have loads of beautiful styles, so make sure you check them out as well. And thank you so much for watching my video today, and make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy my video today, and leave me a comment down below for me to reply to, because I love replying to comments. And I'd love to know what you think of my look. Are you going to pick up the Morphe palette? And if you're not already, I'd love it if you consider hitting that subscribe button, because I do have some really exciting videos coming up. I may have won a huge Beauty Bay giveaway on Instagram, and £1,000 worth of makeup has just turned up to my house, so I will be unboxing that for you. So make sure that notification bell's on too, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!